This weather report brought to you by Brough and Hurley Agriculture.
Good evening. Livio, Regano, tonight's weather. Consider the week ahead to be a pre-season taste of midsummer. Days won't get much beyond 30 degrees because of heavy cloud, but a deep tropical north wind will bring intense humidity, restless sleep and storms almost every afternoon, especially inland areas. Emerald and Springshaw had 21 millimetres of rain overnight, with Gladstone coming in with 13 mils and Rocky 10. Coastal temperatures hit the high 20s today and low 30s inland. Nighttime temps and humidity are rising slowly and insidiously, as you can see. On the satellite loop now, you can see there's lots of cloud across Queensland. Most of it's been inland. That's where the storms have been going up. You can see this line of storms that have developed along the Great Dividing Range. Upper level winds from the west are carrying them towards the coast, but they've only reached the coast in southern parts of Queensland where those winds are strong enough to carry them there. In the tropics, they've stayed inland, and we'll see a lot of that kind of thing this week. Now on today's chart, you can see an active trough that's sort of crossing Queensland diagonally. You can also see there are very few isobars, so winds, apart from in the southeast near that low where they're getting quite strong, are generally very light, and that hasn't helped offset the terrible humidity we're seeing today. Now on tomorrow's chart, again, this trough is sort of waffling around. In the southeast, we'll see a brief change just behind that as it moves up, but then it'll just flop straight back down again. There'll be more storms along that trough. On the outlook chart now, as an upper level trough catches up with the surface feature, the entirety of Queensland will get these humid north winds and afternoon thunderstorms. The latest now from the Weather Bureau. Boating forecast for Capricornian waters, northwest to northeast winds between 10 and 20 knots tomorrow, straight 10 to 15 knot northerlies on Wednesday, and then 15 to 20 knots for Thursday. At the moment, we're getting our main high tide around the middle of the day, and the peak of the tide's getting smaller and later as we approach Thursday's half moon. The Capricornia District forecast, showers tomorrow with possible severe thunderstorms, 30 degrees the top for Gladstone, Rocky 31, same for Billow, Yeppoon 28. In the Central Highlands and Coalfields, again showers and possible severe storms, with Emerald reaching 32 degrees, same for Moranbah and Claremont 31. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, solid wet storms will fire up every afternoon this week, with rainfall peaking on Friday before clearing on the weekend. Expect days in the 30s and intensely sultry nights. And that's it, folks. Hope you've eased painlessly into the working week. Pleasure to have your company, and thanks for watching 7 Local. I'll be back tomorrow with more weather. Hope you can join me. Now it's back to the team.
You're wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thanks for your company. We'll catch you tomorrow night.
And just a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app, or you can catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. And from all of us here, enjoy your evening. Good night.
Good night.